Okay, here we are again with Federico.
Ciao.
World rally champion and my realtor. He will be showing us this renovation project. We are sort of up on a mountain. If you've watched the farmhouse video, we're actually just down the road from the beautiful farmhouse. This is for sale. It's 290,000 euros. Going to be a really cool project for somebody. So it's 2 apartments, which I think is, a reasonable price. It's negotiable according to Federico.
Yes.
One of the things I asked immediately is if there's any land that is attached to this. There is not. So for people who maybe want,
Questo è di proprietà. Giardino di proprietà.
Oh, okay, so there is a little terrace garden in the front.
Il bello è la terrazza panoramica, può mangiare fuori.
You can eat outside. Good sales today. He's had his coffee. Okay, let's go.
Okay.
Today you're ready. He is ready to go.
Come on.
Come on. Okay, good English. Let's go. This was technically a farm. There were animals that they kept in here. This is kind of fun because this is how they fed the animals. Now I will tell you, looking in here, and this is sort of a real plus, this is very dry in here, which is unusual. This can be a very cute little sitting area, I think. I like this. This is cool. It's very crunchy and medieval looking. Let's buy a house from the 17th century. I still find that so exciting. I'm geeking out over it. What can I say? E qua?
Un altro cantina.
Tante cantina.
Cantine.
Yeah.
Prosciutti, salumi, gli animali e il vino.
Okay, so this was for wine, that was for animals, and this was for prosciutto and cheeses, and this was their refrigeration, essentially.
E il lardo qui viene molto buono, siamo vicini al lardo di Colonnata.
God, he's on today. Lardo, too, from Colonnata. They ate a lot of lardo. You were like with it today.
Bene.
Yeah, you're good today. E questo qua? Questa è la casa?
No, questo è sempre un rustico.
Okay, well,
Poi andiamo alla casa.
I'm going to let you go up there and look at that. It's just another storage, yeah?
Kind of. This flowbolt ceiling window.
Oh my God. I love a door like this. Oh, questa fantastico. Look at this door. Oh, yeah, man.
Wow.
It's a great door. I love this door. And we have to keep all the doors. So this is like all storage down here, which we need a lot of storage, so that's cool. Okay, here we go. Oh, this is nice. This is so pretty. Oh, this is fab. Well, I will say that the view is spectacular here. And this is a beautiful little terrace. Oh, this is lovely for Aperitivo. I kind of love this place. All right, let's see inside what's going on.
Purtroppo non è staccata la luce,
Yeah.
dunque è un po' buio per quel motivo
It's
lì.
dark because he can't turn the lights on, so bear with us here. This is really cute. This is a cute house. Carina.
Questo è il camino funzionante
Okay, nice fireplace.
con i radiatori.
And a radiator, so it's nice and toasty warm in here. Nice. I actually really think this is cute, this piece of furniture. I would keep this. It's very cute. So that's the front room. You walk right into the living room. Never my favorite, so I'd probably reconfigure. I do not like walking right into a living room. It drives me insane because I like a little landing pad. But I think if you furnished it a little bit different way, away from the door. I just don't like walking into, my sofa.
I think that's too tight.
Yeah, that's a little tight.
Your knees in the fireplace.
Well, you're nice and toasty. E questa
Questa è la
cucina.
cucina.
Oh, wow. It's a closet of a kitchen. For some people, this is move-in ready. You know me. For me, this is not move-in ready. But the good news is all the construction's sort of done. So it's all cosmetic, which is a thing. So there's the bathroom. Yeah. I mean, this could be so cute. I think if you took all the furniture out and all the curtains off, it would already improve it greatly, yeah? I'm getting past the decor though. It's a stone house though, which is, it's solid as a rock, as they say. E questo, un altro appartamento questo.
No, sopra. Questo è tutto un appartamento.
Okay, so there's 2 apartments. One, this is the ground floor apartment, and then there's another apartment upstairs because I'm trying to understand the configuration here. Here, I'll do it too. He and I are gonna light this up for you because
Qui c'è un camino.
I think Federico worked as a lighting consultant on some Broadway films and some independent films, if you know what I mean.
Piccolo studio.
This is a piccolo studio. I don't know, this is just sort of a wonky room, if you want my opinion, but I love the selling today. Yeah, I dig it. I do dig this. I think it's cool. You know, there's a lot of ways to look at this. Like this could be an apartment. I mean, this could be for one person, and then you have the apartment upstairs that you could rent out. This could be a good buy, rent, Airbnb situation, really. I don't know that I wouldn't connect all of this. I think I would leave it separate. That's my blink on this. You know, live here, live upstairs, and then rent this out, or have it for your. Oh, was this a cult? I mean, they have like all these beds here. This room is very culty to me. It's got a bunk bed and 2 beds. I'm writing a book about cults right now, and I'm obsessed with cults. This could be a good cult house. Just kidding. But they've got a bunk bed and 2 beds in here. I don't understand that. Okay. This closet is, okay. 2 camere di letto,
2 camere.
un cucina.
E come hai detto te, l'ideale sarebbe abitare,
Mi
l'altro
piace
affittare.
questo, yeah. I mean, I don't think the floor plan, thank you. I don't think the floor plan's that weird, actually. I think it really just needs to be updated. I mean, that's my feeling on this. I would not rip anything out here. I mean, the kitchen could be updated very easily. It's furniture, so you just take it out, put new furniture in. I don't know, I mean, the tiles, let me see the tiles in here. I mean, there's something kind of cute about these. Yeah, I mean, this could be cute. I mean, it could be all right. Yeah, it's very dark in here, but yeah. I think retrofit this is fine. You know, I think for a couple, and if you have like kids, they can stay in the upper apartment, or your guests can stay in the upper apartment. I like it. I like it. I think it's cool. I think it could be very cute. It's very Italian. Oh, it has its own entrance, and it has a staircase that will kill you. So don't drink and walk here.
Però l'ideale, perché abbiamo lo spazio per rifarla.
What the hell? I mean, what is the matter with people? I mean, you could kill yourself if you miss it.
È larga.
I mean, this is like murder stairs. Okay, no. So we would rip the staircase out 100%. On belay. Let's go. On belay. E questa, pazzesco
Sì,
questo.
una volta li facevano così,
mamma
proprio
mia.
col marmo.
I mean, in Italia, this is like murder stairs.
È vero.
In the middle of the night,
Terribile.
boom, that's it. Break your neck, that's it, you're done. It's cute though here. You know, this gives you a better idea of what can be done downstairs with the space, but I like it. Other than the murder stairs, we're good. Nice color walls. Holy moly. There's a beautiful walk-in closet. It is a really pretty room. So this is what you could do downstairs. This is great because it kind of gives you an idea of, with a little bit of paint and a little imagination, I mean, it can be very modern and cool, and I like it. This is wild. It's like a modern house in a medieval structure. I'm sort of having a moment here. I love it. Okay.
Bene.
Okay, so that's a dining room. This is nice. I like it. It's great.
E qui è nice.
Oh, and there's a, oh, he's showing us the terrace. I'm so confused. Okay.
Si vede il castello.
There is the castle. Click below. You can see the castle tour. My friend Jacobo and I toured the castle and made lunch. I love it. I don't know about this
Questo non serve a niente.
Oh, there is an indoor
Kitchen.
entrance to the kitchen. Okay. I was concerned.
Terzo camino.
That is the funniest little stove I've ever seen. Look how cute it is. It's for a little person. I'm little, but not that little. Oh, and here's the living room. It's a little funky, but... Oh no, it's a camera di letto.
Sì?
No, non piace camera di letto vicino di cucina. Perché quando cipollino e olio e questo sento qua. So penso questo è
Una sala.
Sì.
Di là abbiamo le due camere.
Esatto.
Si può fare.
They made this bedroom. This is not a bedroom for me. You could take this wall out
Anzi, la soluzione giusta è perché va in terrazza.
and then make this like a big kitchen with the fireplace, and then you've got the terrace either side. That might be cool. This shouldn't be a bedroom. I love it. I do like this house. I think it's cool. And I love the tile. I would keep this tile. I mean, even though if you had to burst through, I would still pop the tile off and use it. You know, like tile all the way up here or something. I just think this would be a really cool sort of kitchen sit-in fireplace area with the terrace. I like it. So this is the only thing I think I would address. Acqua?
Questa è l'unica parte che ci sono ancora i cannicci, quelle vecchie canne sopra. Questo va tolto, è un lavoro diciamo da fare. Comunque è un lavoro diciamo di 7-8 mila euro.
Okay, so there is water infiltration above. You know, he's like, oh, it'll be 8,000 euros to, you know, systematic to fix it. So there, you know, so I think if you're going to do that, then you rip this wall out and do it all at the same time you do it with the renovation. So maybe this is something that you renovate immediately. And I mean, I think to do this whole thing the way you want to do it, you'd probably have to do new tile floors because they don't match up really. I don't know, I mean, that would be up to you. But I think probably for 12 grand, you could probably...
Questi portano il mangiare nei paesi, si sente.
Welcome to the countryside, yeah. So this is a guy that sells food, and he announces himself, so all the housewives go running out.
Bellissimo Annette, mi piace molto la tua idea di aprire con questo salone.
He likes my idea, again.
Ci sono 3 finestre grandi, luminose,
Sì.
la luce, e te l'hai visto subito. Incredibile, sei proprio fantastica.
He's just realizing it after the 800th video we've done together that I know what I'm doing.
Ok.
Okay, this is our surprise.
Allora, questa è l'ingresso.
There's a church, yes. Where's that checkbook? Oh, this is so good.
Questa era una casa importante, avevano la cappella di proprietà.
Oh my gosh, this is so cool. So, this was a very important house, the whole thing, and they broke it up into apartments, so that all makes sense now. But they've left the church for the people in the apartments. So you have 2 entrances, and then you have this chapel. That's just adorable.
Viene fatta, diciamo, ancora la messa quando c'è la festa del paese.
Oh, so when they have like, this is a little borgo, so when they have a festival, this is part of the festival. This is so charming, oh my gosh. This is beautiful, I love it. Oh, see, so this, for me, this is like, where's my checkbook? I'm gobsmacked by this. This is fabulous. Not only do I really like this house, but this is just a super extra fantastic thing. 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and 1 chapel. Fantastic. Fabulous. I love it, yeah,
Sì,
it's really
meraviglioso.
good. It's really beautiful. I'm a sucker for a church, so bravo, bravo. He's so good. Oh, this is so good. The thing about this that's so interesting, it's a medieval house that they've sort of modernized. You know, you can really make it your own. They haven't ruined it. I do like these 2 apartments. I do like this house, and I think it's a really good value. The view is spectacular here. I mean, I think it's a very cool house. It's located very close to Vivizzano, so it's very easy to go get groceries or get a coffee. I like this house. I give this house, Federico, we have to give this house our thumbs. Oh, there he is. So I would like to give this house 4 thumbs up. I need your thumbs. Thank you, Federico, for showing us this very, very cool house. Medieval house, 2 apartments, lots of storage, and incredible view. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Peace. High five. High five.